Today I'll be sharing with you how to download your Loom Screen Recordings. Downloading your Loom Screen Recordings can be beneficial for a number of reasons, such as ensuring that you have a backup of your recordings, it allows you to publish them to YouTube or embed them into Google Slides presentations, or you can even access them when you don't have an internet connection too. To do this, head on into your video that you want to download. I'm going to choose this one, and head on up to the three dots for more options. Following this, head on all the way down until you see this download option. If you click on it, it will start to download your video to your computer. But what if you want to host your videos on Loom? How do you keep all of your videos organized? Click or tap the video shown on screen now to learn how to use folders in Loom, and subscribe for more content just like this.